sciatica disappeared down my left leg. And then the doctor came in and says, "Oh, we need to put you some injections in." And he put 2 injections in, L3, L4, and, missed both times. And there's those little funny dots that appear on the, MRI image. But back then, we didn't know too much about it. This is 2008, 2009. Nobody knew too much about it. I got give it yeah, we need to do another operation. It was called a fenestration, which is opening up the nerve exits. And they says, yeah, 95% chance, 90, I think it was 98% chance you'll be okay. Yeah, and then just woke up from that paralyzed.
Man, so you were of the 2%, not the 98%.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
But now we know, all of us know that if you've got arachnoiditis, don't bloomin' touch it.
No, no. I had a similar experience with mine. I had developed a spine fluid leak,
Mm,
and they had to go in and take the hardware out. Before that, I had bacterial meningitis, and I was in quite a bit of pain. I think it was after the bacterial meningitis, maybe even before that, maybe in my 20s, where I started feeling a little bit of arachnoiditis. But it wasn't until 2001 they did the surgery to take the hardware out, repair the CSF leak. And my doctor said, "Oh yeah, when I got in there, you were filled with bacteria. It was everywhere. The
yeah.
hardware was coated milky bacteria, so you
Oh,
were going to
no.
get meningitis again." But he said, and then I noticed that some of your nerves were clumped together, so I scraped them clean.
Oh, no.
Yeah, right. I mean, and the reason I know this, I sat across from him, and he's a good guy, and I don't blame him for this because it's
No,
lack of knowledge, right?
there
Back
was
then,
no knowledge back then.
no. I mean, there was, the arachnoiditis was first mentioned in medical books in the 1800s. Somebody had discovered it, but it really hasn't been mainstream, which, that's really what we're trying to do here with the podcast and all the interviews is to get the word out there. But yeah, when they go in there and start scraping on those nerves, man, oh my gosh, my pain was so intense right after surgery, and
Yeah,
it's never stopped. That was in
yeah,
2001, and I was in pain before that, but I was in worse pain after that, and still now it's progressing. But
yeah. I
we're
was
gonna make it. We'll make a
I was
difference.